Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg poach without oil. First, select a very fresh egg. This is key for a compact shape. Next, grab a shallow pot and fill it with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly and prevents them from spreading too much. Now let's prepare your egg. Carefully crack 1 egg into a small bowl or a ramekin. This step is crucial because it allows you to gently slide the egg into the water, helping it maintain its beautiful, round shape. Make sure the yolk stays perfectly intact for that classic poached egg experience. Once your water is ready, bring it to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil. Then, carefully slide the egg from the bowl into the simmering water. Cook it for approximately 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer one. The vinegar helps the whites set quickly around the yolk. To finish, gently remove your perfectly poached egg from the water using a slotted spoon. Carefully place it on a paper towel for a moment to drain any excess water. Serve immediately on toast, avocado, or whatever you desire. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, oil-free poached egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.